Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors in Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Safety Harbor and we're starting this two-car garage with baseboard. So right now we're getting things ready and set up and we're going over the job. So as you can see, this floor is a little rough right now, but no big deal because we're going to grind it off anyway. So it really doesn't affect us too much. So now the baseboard is going to go up and over this block. Probably have a repair there at the door. Here's a fixture that we're going to go around and behind with the floor and the baseboard. And again, we're going to continue with the baseboard up and over. We're going to straighten that out, that block. We're going to square it up a little bit better and round it over a little bit. Just clean it up in general before we epoxy or chip it. And this lead-in edge is definitely going to need some work. So we're going to square that up and round it over and make it consistent and give it a good surface for the epoxy to hold on to. Just a quick segment to show our progress. You can see we have the grind done, we have the repairs done, we did the lead-in edge, we have the baseboards prepped for epoxy. So we thickened the epoxy, and what that does is it hangs. You can see the repairs along the entry here. It's a good looking grind. This is just what you want. You want white concrete before you put down your epoxy because that's what's going to give us a good application. So quite a few cracks, nothing major, just cracking. Some divots and stuff throughout. So what Chuck is doing now, he's putting up the primer, which just gives the baseboards in the end a better appearance, especially when we're working with darker concrete and chip colors. So we're going to have this floor in a few minutes. Okay, here's our completed project. So this is a two-car with baseboards, which are optional. So as you saw in the previous segments, we did a lot of prep to this garage, including some repairs. Some repairs along the door here. So we also prepped up the baseboards to accept the chips and the epoxy. We just finished putting on the UV stable polyaspartic top coat. Here's some details around the fixtures. So this is a lifetime warranty floor, meaning that this floor will never separate from the concrete. That all has to do with the prep that you saw in the previous segments, a lot of details that we took care of. We rounded over this lead-in edge and did some repairs along there. So this color is gun Flint. So you can see it in the light. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.